Hello, as you remember before, I am Dhruv, the unwilling host of this TV show, which is not really on TV. And here we have a superstar model, which is not really a superstar model.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
She is Hindu actually, and also not to mention the fact she is from the ages of Marilyn Monroe. Actually, Marilyn Monroe's inspiration. So, how are you?
I am fine.
What are you going to be cooking today?
I am cooking Kashmiri Wazwan, which is called chicken yakni, which is a very traditional preparation in curd and chicken.
Wow. And just another extra question, just a side question. You don't have any Muslim friends, do you?
I have.
They don't like you, do you?
They do.
I just share with them. No, either way that you have.
Okay, there is chicken. That's the main ingredient, and the second most important ingredient is dahi. Here it's Govardhan dahi. And
It's okay, you
there
don't
is
have to say that.
Kashmiri mirch. There is soft powder, salt powder. There is mint, dry mint. There is garlic, onion, and there is normal mirch. There is salt, and there is a little bit of cream, and obviously oil.
1, 2, 3, 4.
नॉर्मल ऑयल मध्ये सॉल्ट ऍड करायची आता आपण चिकनला फ्राय करू चिकनला फक्त ती नॉर्मल फ्राय करून घ्यायची मॅरिनेशन आणि कढाईचे प्याज भाजतो आणि फ्राय द ऑनियन ओके I'm frying the chicken. I'm frying the onion and the whole garlic over here. And Kashmiri powder and the normal I'm making plain rice also. The rice is ready. Till the time it starts boiling, so keep on stirring like this. Otherwise, the curd will I make a paste of this. Ready. We add this in the okay. So in the curd, I have added a few things now. I have added that paste, that onion garlic paste. I have added the chicken. I have added soft powder, salt powder, and I have added Kashmiri mirch powder. Salt. And I forgot to tell you one thing. Most important ingredient, garam masala. All whole garam masala. Small elaichi, big elaichi, darchini, long, and golmuri.